Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TPLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a nice bounce. Yeah, the price got beat up, but late day, the price did indeed bounce. I don't think anybody can really argue against that. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. That's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that point is right there at 8 cents. Why is 8 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces are, well, going to continue to bounce, right? The price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 8 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of 8, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see, progress forward, and I'm just defining quote-unquote progress as 8 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial level of resistance to keep an eye on right up here at about 13 cents, which is where the seller stepped in today. So 13 cents. First level of resistance. After that, the next level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line's way up there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to slope downwards and get more and more relevant. So no doubt about it, today, good solid bounce. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this bounce? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.